What's up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Philip20, and I'm back. Check it out. Well, today we had a snow day, and it was an awesome snow day. We had tons of snow. Plowed the driveway on solar power, pulled out the squeegee, and started scrubbing the solar panels. Unfortunately, I had a lot of audio corruption. Had my microphone, the Rogue has been, acting funny. It's weird. I don't know. It's weird. So, I got it working now, and I hope it sounds clear. It appears that it may, so hopefully it does good. Aside from that, I wanted to go over some other things. The classic charge controller quit working properly again. So this is the second time I've mailed it to Classic. So since I bought it, I have mailed it back twice. It cost me $60, $70 to ship it back to them. Now, it's about $30 to $5 per shipment. They pay for shipment back, but hey, I understand. But I don't understand why, it works and then it don't work. It works and it don't work. Like what's going on with it is the Whiz-Bang Jr. would stop working completely. And the auxiliary relay that sends out 12 volts doesn't send out 12 volts. It's really weird. So I had it really nicely set up to where if the voltage would go to a certain point, it shut the inverter down, but it's not possible to continue like that because the Classic relay that is built in isn't very good. In fact, anytime you turn on or off the relay, it just goes haywire. And it wasn't like that until after I updated with the new talking version of the Classic. I mean, it's kind of cool to hear it talking, but it's not kind of cool for it to not be working. I would much rather it be working than talking. I really don't care about it talking versus working. It's way more important for me to work than talking. So I've been sitting here for like 2 hours. It's 1:05. This is, I just reinstalled Windows on this. I haven't set the time yet, but it's 1:05 here, and I haven't gotten, I gotten the stuff I needed done, but the recording, I wanted to put out some recording for you guys, and it's not working out. So I've had a lot of trouble with the microphone and recording this today. So what I'm gonna do is set up for you guys more stuff for you to see. I'm gonna move on besides just solar stuff, just some random projects. Some people might like it, some people don't, but there's always gonna be more solar updates coming. The wind turbine is doing well, and I found a new way that I'm going to be running it. I did do the 3-phase transformers, and yes, it does generate power, but I believe that if I took the transformers out, it relieves the load that you get, and now it can spin much faster. So it's able to spin up to produce watt hours, not a lot of watt hours. Now, if this is a 24-volt battery bank, it would be a lot more power. It'd be a lot more power than what I'm getting, because the majority of the time it's between 20 and 40 volts. And then when you get a gust of wind, it goes up to 80 to 100 volts. And when it's at 80 to 100 volts, it's making good power. And it seems to be generating more current through to the batteries without the transformers in there. But with the transformers in there, it's more consistently generating current with lower wind speeds. So you don't have to have real high wind speeds to generate a lot of power. So I'm pretty grateful for that. What I'd like to do is, get some more testing done. But the tester consumes more power than wind turbine actually generates. So what I'll do is I'll eventually just take the tester out. That way it's running straight connected. So the tester is, you know, kind of connected in there, but the tester consumes 5 watts continuous, and that's 5 watt hours per hour. And if I only generate 1 or 2 watt hours for, you know, low winds, it's not worth keeping that little tester in there. And we don't have, you know, high winds all the time. We get really high winds sometimes because we're, you know, slightly in the mountains. It's not really far up in the mountains, but it's slightly. It's cool. So, so far everything's working well, and I'm really grateful that we get to move forward with this. Also, go check out my Steemit account and vote for me. And I'll vote and comment, and I'll vote on you, and then you get cryptocurrency there too. So, you know, upvote. And thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment. If you like this video, share it with your friends, okay? This is just a quick recap of what's going on with the solar array. And I've got some really cool stuff coming in for you for the gaming section. You guys are gonna like it. Peace out. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. There's lots more content coming. Click the subscribe button below. Make sure you come back for more because there's great content always coming up every day in this channel. See you next time. Peace.